so before we begin, make sure to subscribe for the 100 subscriber giveaway that I hope is going to be happening soon. It's going to be a Rubik's Cube and a kendama or gift card. So yeah. What's up everybody? Today I have an unboxing of the Nick Gallagher and the Zack Gallagher Pro models in the new boost shape with all the new stickers. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to unbox the Nick Gallagher one, which I already did, but on the side there's like a picture of him and what he wrote about kendama, and this is the same on both, and so is this, just the color is different. I'm going to go through the packaging real quick. So yeah, pretty nice colorway, and this came with the Nick Gallagher one. This is like the Black Lives Matter stuff, which is pretty exclusive. You are probably going to get this NAKO invitation sticker. Okay, so on to the packaging, but yeah, this is sweets right here. And this is not like the 2017 or so. Like, Dave sure made a video and his stickers were different. So yeah, these are the new stickers in the new packaging with the new shape and the new QR code. And right here we have the classic, or this is not classic, but this is like a new and improved sticker sheet with these Kendamas, which I'm probably going to make one do a bird on my new phone when I get it, because right now my phone is like not working at all. And if you're my friend and you're watching this video and you know about it, then make sure to comment something. So yeah, extra string like always, but this is a bearing bead with the same purple string. This right here is a maple can and a beach tama. So what that basically means is that this is going to be good for like gunslingers, and it's also pretty light as well. And this is a beach tama right here, as you can see. Oh yeah, and it comes with a bearing bead, as you can see. It'll be good for like beginners when they learn how to spike. So yeah, but I don't think this is going to be for beginners just because it's not full maple. And right here, as you can see right there, that's a pretty soft landing, but obviously you have to break it in. So yeah, time for the lunar balance. As you can see right there, this is right here is lunar, I mean inward lunar, so that's pretty good right there. And for regular lunar, for the waist that I got, the regular lunar is just a little bit off. Oh yeah, and for some reason there's like some weird yellowish stuff on the maple, but yeah, that's that. So yeah, time for the Zack Gallagher. Okay, moving on to the Zack Gallagher Pro model with the boost shape. This right here is actually in cushion clear, as you can see right there. So yeah, cushion clear is a little more expensive than the other one, but yeah, that's that. And I'm going to guess that it's going to be honed for everything. So yeah, right here is actually another of the special stickers. So yeah, that actually looks very cool. Probably gonna slap that on my new phone once again when I get it. And another NAKO. As you can see, I actually have two of them with one unboxing, which is pretty weird, but time to take it out. Okay, so first let's go over the stickers real quick. Okay, so here is the black and white swirly or marble design. And oh yeah, on the back you actually have like how to string your dama, and yeah, that actually looks pretty cool. And for the how do you take this? Okay, so here is the Zack Gallagher Kendamas along with the NZ right here and the sweets, and also this black and white right here. So yeah, and it comes with a jet black extra string pack with a bearing bead. So yeah, that's pretty cool right there. Now onto the main part, the kendama. Right here we have the yin yang, and oh yeah, you have this styrofoam sort of pad thing to like preserve the cushion clear paint. Now I have took this off to take some thumbnails, but yeah, that's that. Okay, now on to actually showing you guys how it looks like. Right here it says Zack Gallagher, and the QR code is there, which looks pretty interesting. And right here you have the radar design and the same NZ right there. The yin yang right here, which helps for tracking, and this like 3-layered radar design, which is like the boost radar but more improved. And right here you actually have like a marble design, like on marble tables or something. And time to hear the cushion clear. As you can hear, yeah, that's pretty sticky out of the box. Not as sticky as the sticky clear, but it will break in very nicely. And time to check out the lighthouse. Oh yeah, that's some very sticky stuff right there. And time to like do a lighthouse real quick. As you can see, it doesn't even move. Like, yeah, for the lunar, yeah, I think this one's a little bit better than the Nick Gallagher one, so I'm probably gonna learn lunar on that thing. So yeah, now time for the stickiness of the sticky clear, because I forgot to do that. So gotta take it off the string again. I mean, take it off the spike. As you can hear, that's way more sticky, and it makes some very sticky sounds on the bass cup as well. What's up, everybody? So it's been 1 month or 28 days of jamming this since I first started the day 1 and all that stuff. So yeah, so this part will be the review, obviously. So let's get right into the review. So first, I'm going to be reviewing the Nick Gallagher Pro model. This one is sticky clear, because there were no cushion clears of this one. So yeah, so first I'm going to review the can like always. So this is a maple can, so it's pretty good for gunslingers, and so is the other one. So yeah, super smooth and it feels pretty nice. So yeah, now there is no lunar bounce hole on this, which makes it kind of hard for lunars. And I figured out that it just comes down to your luck, because there's different parts of a maple tree, and some parts of the tree are heavier than others, like the inside of it rather than the outside, if that makes sense. Now for the spike, it kind of shortened a little bit, and there's no super glue on it, so yeah, that held up pretty nicely. And time to review the string. Or first, time to review the stalls. The handle stall, as you saw in the around the stalls trick, the handle stall, it kind of wobbles a little bit for the tama, which is pretty weird, but I don't think it's too much of a problem. So yeah. Now here on the string, if you can see, it kind of fluffed up a little bit like all the other strings. This is kind of like a more of a flat string, not like the Boost Radar, which had a rounder string. And the bearing bead, I actually tied a knot right there, as you can see, to make sure the bead doesn't pop out, because it kept on popping out at first and it was kind of annoying. So yeah, so it still spins pretty nicely. And time to review the tama. This tracking right here is pretty good. Like, there's 3 sorts of tracking. There's this, and this. So yeah, so that's pretty good for tracking. And the stickiness of it, yeah, it's still pretty sticky. Like, you can still land your lighthouses and your lunars without that much of a problem. So yeah, now time to review the Zack Gallagher. This one is in cushion clear, so it's kind of unfair to the Nick Gallagher one, but yeah. So the can on this, it's probably the exact same, but this actually kind of had a little bit of a worse lunar balance while I played it for a long time. So yeah, but that's based off look. So yeah, and gunslingers, gunslingers are obviously super good, and so are Ken flips. It's a super light wood compared to beach, and as you can see, it flips no problem. And then for the Ken, there is no base cup hole, so yeah, that's kind of a not the best lunar balance, but it still works. Like, yeah. And then for the stalls, it's the same problem. It kind of wobbles a little bit. And for the ring stall, I haven't done ring stall, but it should be the exact same. So yeah, now the spike has been shortened more than the Nick Gallagher Pro model, which is kind of weird, but I think I did play this for a little more, because when I compared the cups, these were a little bit lower than the Nick Gallagher cups. So yeah, that means that I played it a little bit more, but it is a pretty good kendama. So yeah, now the string obviously did fluff up a little bit if it would focus, and then the string is still the flat string. Now the string actually gets into the way like all the time. So yeah, okay, now time to review the tama. There's 2 sorts of tracking here, so it's very good for tracking and nothing too crazy. So yeah, this radar design right here is super good, and it also helps you like land your lighthouses pretty nicely, if that makes sense. And then this right here is pretty cool. And then you have this spirally design right here. Now for the stickiness, it obviously is not sticky, but yeah, as you can hear, it's still pretty sticky, but not as sticky as before. For the lighthouses, however, it's super sticky. Like, I don't know if it's because of the grain of the wood, but yeah, it's super sticky, as you can see, as I miss all my tricks. So yeah, as you can see, that's super nice. And so time to rate these. For the Zack Gallagher Pro model, I am going to rate this overall 9 out of 10. It's because of the, like, this right here, there's no lunar bounce hole right here, so it's kind of harder for lunars. So yeah, and it's cushion clear, so I'll add like half a point. So yeah, now time for the Nick Gallagher Pro model. This is sticky clear, so it's not as like cushiony as the cushion clear, obviously. And then obviously for your bounce tricks, it will wear off easier than the cushion clear, and also it kind of chips more than the cushion clear. And as you can see right there, it actually chips like a lot, but not like a lot. And for this, there are some chips, but it's not too big of a deal. So yeah. Now, the bevels are very broken in. Whoops. As you can see right here. You can go up and down pretty easily. Okay. And what the? And as you can see, it's still pretty nice. You still get that maple sound, even though it's a beach tom. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, then make sure to smash that like button. And also, please make sure to subscribe for a giveaway. Even if you don't want to win anything, that still helps. And also, please make sure to check out other kendama unboxing and reviewing of other kendamas like the Doppers and the Radar. And also, please stay tuned for future videos which are going to be happening very soon. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.